Star pattern. I know the names are quite cool, but yeah, we have cool names in trading also. Anyways, shooting star pattern is just the opposite of hammer pattern. Means it shows us the price rejection from above. In an uptrend market, if you spot a shooting star, then it means that the trend of the market is about to change, or a high possibility that yes, the market is about to go down. Let's see shooting star pattern. So it's a bearish reversal pattern where sellers are momentarily in control. Length of the wick should be at least twice the size of the body. I have mentioned the same thing about the length in the hammer lesson. Hopefully you all have understood how it should look like. Let me show you. This is a shooting star, and as you can see, this is a body. This is also the body. Color doesn't matter. Market made a high here, but the price could not sustain, and ultimately it closed here, and in case of red shooting star it closed here, which means that though the price went up, but the there was a selling pressure from above, or there are some sellers sitting above who are not ready for the price, and their pressure or their dominance is much higher in comparison to the dominance of the buyers at that particular price. As a result, there was a rejection of price from above. Are you getting a point? Shooting star signifies the price rejection from above. If the market is going up, market is in upturn, market is going up, 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 and ultimately it tries to go to a price, and the sellers are not ready for the price, and if they push the price downward, and if they form a pattern like this, so this is a shooting star pattern. Let me show you on chart to make it clearer. See, market was in clean uptrend, pure uptrend. Market was going up, and after that, when market touched the 34 mark, the sellers were not ready for the price, and ultimately their dominance became bigger, and they pushed the price, and ultimately we get to see a shooting star pattern. And what do we see? The trend of the market changed. So this is a bearish reversal pattern, and it also shows that sellers are momentarily in control. Again, see, market was in uptrend, clean uptrend, green candles, beautiful green candles mostly. And when market tried to go to this particular price, it got rejection from above, and there was a trend reversal from here. Means that when market tried to go to this particular price, it faced severe rejection. Means that market is not ready for that particular price, and sellers came in and showed their power. So this is how a shooting star pattern looks like. Hopefully you all have understood. Thank you so much.